Hello friends, what's going on? Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is skydio here. Today we are going to talking about some upcoming tech events and tech trending news. Apple is selling self-flying drones which you can control with your Apple Watch. Skydio, the California-based drone maker that specializes in self-flying software, is announcing a new update today, and that will let owners of its R1 drone launch, control, and even manually fly the drone entirely from an Apple Watch, which uses artificial intelligence to provide advanced guidance and automated piloting. Second, Tesla is now selling a cheaper Model 3 with a 260-mile battery starting at 45,000. SoundCloud users will soon be able to DJ live directly on the platform, all while having its huge catalog of streamed music at their disposal. Again, Apple isn't done with product events for 2018. Apple announces iPad Pro and Mac event for October 13th. Let's move toward the social media. WhatsApp users could now soon link account to Facebook and Instagram. According to report, this feature will help Facebook and Instagram users consider WhatsApp as a backup account in case it gets hacked or breached. Finally, WhatsApp has planned a vacation mode, a feature that will improve the archive chat experience. With this feature, archive chats will remain as they are, even if new messages appear. Currently, an archive chats get unarchived the moment it receives a new notification. And let me know about your opinion about my YouTube video. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video with your friends if you found this useful.